Hey, what's good, winners? Now, I'm sure a lot of y'all have seen this tweet yesterday, which is a very good tweet. The thread is right here, which is very good. The team is very transparent, which is amazing. Now, I want to show you guys how we can make this tweet go viral by doing a raid. It's going to be a little bit different from what we did the last time, but it's kind of the same. So, like, what we're gonna do is we just come right here, and then click on copy link to tweet, and then you go to a post like this one here real quick. Let me just go back. Yeah, like this one here. But obviously before the raid I will get the links that we need, that I believe are more better to trade in. You just come right here, hit reply, type anything you want, maybe like something like, now this is what I call a real project, anything you want to type, and maybe you type tag the Metapreneurs profile, and then what you want to do is you just paste the link that you copied right here, and yeah, and then use few hashtags, maybe hashtag NFT, but the most important hashtag that I want you guys to use is hashtag Metapreneurs. This way it will be easy for a lot of people to just go search this hashtag and retweet all the tweets. So once you do that, just hit reply. And let me do it real quick. So this how the reply is going to appear on the tweet, on the post. Yeah, so this will help it really go viral quickly. So like the reason about the hashtag, if you type hashtag Metapreneurs, which is already right here, you can see all the, I can see some people getting banned in the, and yeah, you can see all the tweets right here that people use, and then just retweet everything. You can see all of them right here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's bring more winners to the Winners Club. All right.